The NFL Combine is where the league's top prospects put their athleticism on display, showcasing their speed, agility, and strength. One of the most iconic tests is the 40-yard dash, a baseline measure of a player's straight-line speed and acceleration. But how much does this actually matter? In this video, we examine how a defender's 40 time influences their ability to close on the ball on a pass play, and how teams can use these insights to sharpen their play calling. Using tracking data from the 2023 season provided through the NFL Big Data Bowl, we analyzed how fast defenders really move while the ball is in the air. In one example, we see DJ Turner, who set the record in the 2023 Combine with a 4.26, having to turn and run with the receiver, where he hits a top speed of 22 miles per hour, allowing him to get to the ball and prevent a big play. In another example, we see Deonte Banks, who ran a 4.35, accelerate to the ball at a rate of 7.5 yards per second squared, allowing him to catch up to the receiver, get out in front, and prevent the touchdown. While speed had a big impact in these examples, there are a lot of other factors at play, so we use machine learning to identify setups where defender speed has the biggest impact. We built a model to estimate pass completion probability based on defender 40 time, targeted route, and defensive coverage type. We use this to identify high-impact plays where the defender's 40 time has a significantly negative effect on the pass result. For instance, here's a high-impact setup where the receiver is set to run a go route against a cover 3 zone. Against an average defender, we estimate a 42.8% completion probability. Against Eric Stokes, who ran a 4.31, it drops to 29.4%. Teams can apply this in real time, so when these setups occur, the offense is alerted and can adjust to account for the elite defender. Across all high-impact plays, defenders had a 5% higher top speed with 16% less separation to allow a 9% lower completion rate. Across different routes, defender speed had the highest impact against go routes, where they typically have to turn and run with the receiver. Across coverage types, speed is most important in a cover 3 zone, where the back 3 defenders have to cover a lot of vertical space. At the end of the day, the 40-yard dash is more than just a combine headline. Straight line speed can have a huge impact on passes, quantified with metrics like top speed and peak acceleration. We flag high-impact plays, allowing teams to evaluate matchups in real time, adjust play calls to avoid elite defenders, and optimize game planning with the insights we found. As tracking data continues to improve and analytics becomes a bigger part of the game, it's insights like these that will help teams survive and thrive in the modern NFL.